kayo ginamit ng Panginoon para mabago. Pati sabi ko, everyday, for the last 3 years, when I think of Big, I blame myself. Parang nagkakaroon ng depression na parang baga parang in my mind, may binigay sa amin ng Panginoon, and I failed. And I'm blaming myself. Alam mo, may nagkaroon ako ng gano'n. Naging pala, it's God's way for me to change my character, to really rely on Him and serving on His own term. Alam mo yung habang inaayos ng Panginoon yung buhay ko na yun, yung buhay ko ngayon, habang inaano niya, everything is falling into place. Nawawala yung mindset ko na akala ko kasi ganito eh. Well, we are in a broken world. Yung lahat ng negative sa buhay, tanggapin ko na lang kasi we're in a broken world. But then, the Lord allowing me to experience joy and peace despite of the brokenness of this world. Right now, I am better with my relationship. It's not perfect, but I am now better in how I relate to my office mates. Sila Jeff, actually sila Jeff, kung lumipat na ng CCF eh. Nagkakaroon na ako ng
Saan siya CCF?
Like, oo. Anyway, yun yung ano ko, si Jackie, hindi ako nakapano, I'm still reaching out, I'm still sharing. And itong week na lang ko, nagulat ako. Jackie, oo nga pala, no, sorry, no. Ba't nga pala ako niyaya kanina? Ba't ka bang concerned sa akin? Hindi dyan, no. Gusto ko yung pag-usap. Panginoon na yun, Panginoon.
Oo. Ano yun? Hinihipo na siya ni Lloyd.
So, I'm asking you kung ikaw, kumusta ka sa work mo? Ano yung sa mag-work? How are you? Nag-check tayo last time. Kumusta kita? Kumusta yung sa Panginoon? How are you doing?